and welcome back. Let's make Thalassery Dum Biriyani. I start by frying onions. I've taken 2 big onions and we deep fry it until it turns golden brown. You can take it from the pan once it turns into this color. Next, in another pan, add 2 tomatoes finely chopped. To that, add in 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon of green chili paste. I've taken about 5 green chili for the green chili paste. Next, add in about 450 grams of chicken. You can either use boneless or chicken with bones. Adding some salt. Mix it well and we'll close this for about 5 to 8 minutes. You can see that the water has been released from the chicken. Next, once the water is evaporated, add in the fried onions and mix it well. Adding about 1 cup of coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves. Mix it well. Now I'm adding in about half cup of water. We'll mix this well and we'll close this for about another 5 minutes. And lastly, I'm adding about half a teaspoon of garam masala. Also 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We'll mix this well and we will keep this aside. Now in a pressure cooker, add some ghee and you can also use the oil which you use to fry the onions. Add in a small piece of cardamom, clove and cinnamon. I've taken jeera rice of 1 cup. Add it into the pressure cooker and mix it and add about 2 cups of water. So for 1 cup of rice you will use 2 cups of water. Add some salt. Now we will pressure cook this for about 1 whistle. So now this has been pressure cooked. Now we will add the rice to the already cooked chicken masala. So we will layer the rice on top of this. We'll layer it with some onions, coriander leaves and mint leaves, and lastly I'm adding some turmeric for the yellow color rice. So just dum it for about 10 minutes in low flame and then there you have it. That's your Thalassery Dum Biryani.